Nobody has more integrity than Mindy Benson. You know, most people need to climb the ladder to success like this, but for Mindy, she's carried on the wings of a lifetime of relationships. So it's in the spirit that I made this t-shirt today. It's a Thunderbird SUU t-shirt. And on the back, I got your back, IGYB. And I signed it not because I wanted to sign it as a signature. I signed it as a sign of my commitment. My commitment for her and her incredible journey and what she's going to do here at SUU. I commit today. Mindy, President Benson, I got your back.
I hear this over and over again. Mindy is the right person at the right time in history for this place. Universities are the place where our young people, and might I say especially our rural young people, can come and have an opportunity here at SUU to learn about the world. A university exists in a place, and this place is Cedar City, Utah. And for 125 years, people have sacrificed and they have given of themselves to build this place. We can learn the ways of the world and be true to Cedar City, Utah. That's what I expect. That's what I know will happen because I trust President Mindy Benson. May God bless her as she leads this institution into the future.
You may be interested to learn that I am not only the first female president, but also the first president in SUU's history to have been born and raised in Cedar City and educated at SUU. I love SUU. It's not only in my blood, it is who I am. Early founders who dreamed, sacrificed, and toiled to establish this place of learning, followed by generations of students, faculty, staff, and citizens who with courage and conviction have been pioneers in their own right. These pioneers are heroes. This is a university born of heroes. In the fall of 1898, those first faculty members taught 118 students. Today, SUU has 1,100 faculty and staff and over 14,000 students. At SUU, let's create a place where our faculty and staff thrive and learn to build their career here. Let's create a place so welcoming that when our students arrive here, they don't feel like they left home, but they feel like they are home. And when they graduate and become alumni, that T-Bird spirit never leaves them. Welcome home. Together, let's dedicate ourselves to meeting this moment. Together, let's write the next exciting chapters in SUU's inspiring story. And together, let's create a future brimming with promise and possibility. My dear friends, I am deeply honored and humbled by this opportunity to lead our beloved Southern Utah University. I pledge to devote my energy, effort, and ability to serving you. And I ask you to join me by lending your extraordinary talents in helping propel this great university forward so that the chapters we write in our university's story are as epic and inspiring as our rich and remarkable past. Thank you.